Welcome to PaidToday, how to add a contact note. We're going to go ahead and open up our contacts again, and let's find our new contact here, and we're going to click View. And now we can see this Notes tab here. We're going to go ahead and open that up, and all we're going to do is click New Note. And I don't have any templates made, so I can't choose any from here, but if I did, they would show up there. And templates, you can check that out in another tutorial, but it's essentially just a common set of text content that you want to reuse over and over. So let's just say my new note here. Click OK. And we can see we've got a note here. Now, me and any team member will be able to see this information. So if you spoke with them and things like that, you'll want to leave notes, maybe their dog's name or their birthday, or it could be the gate code or whatever you want. And you can also get rid of delete notes as well.